Hello, today I'm in Mitsubishi ASX. In this video I'll show you how to download phone book to the car's system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car and then press the call answer button.
Ready.
Download phone book.
Dialing 048. Is this correct?
No.
Number, please. Ready.
Phone book.
Select one of the following. New entry, edit number, edit name, list names, delete, erase all, or import contact.
Import contacts.
Would you like to import a single entry or all contacts?
All contacts.
Importing the contact list from the mobile phone. This may take several minutes to complete. Would you like to continue?
Yes. Yes.
Import complete. Returning to main menu.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.